Hi, this is Victor from Parallels, and today I'll show you how to deploy or install our new performance monitoring to your remote application server. First of all, we need to download the software from Parallels website. We will pick the Performance Monitor download, and let's run the installer. This installer will automatically configure all of the settings for you on the server. We use the default folder and click on Install. Let's uncheck this option, click on Finish, and make sure we link the console to the new performance monitor. We can click here. I will enable performance monitor. In this case, I have installed the same server. I just need to put all in one, but in your case, would be your own server. We'll click Apply. And now once we click again into our performance monitor, we will start seeing the information coming in. Of course, we just installed. Once you use it more remote application server, you can see more of the information available. What is important about these reports, we're constantly collecting metrics related to the resources like CPU, memory, and sessions that you have in your environment. That will help you to make a decision to either increase or decrease the number of terminal servers or remote desktop servers you have in your infrastructure. Therefore, this free addition or add-on into remote application server helps on the scaling of your environment. For additional questions, please feel free to contact parallels.com or contact our sales team. Thank you and have a great day.